How to send disappearing photos on Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can send disappearing photos on Telegram very easily. So let's get started with it. First of all, launch your Telegram app. Here, tap on the person you want to send the disappearing text to. Just tap on this link. Here, just tap on one of the media that you want to send to. And here you can see the one icon at the bottom right. The small one icon, just tap on it and you can see how long the media will be kept after opening. So tap on the timer you want to set to. Let's say I want to keep 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, the photo will be deleted after opening. If that person opens the photo, it will be disappeared after 3 seconds. Just tap on send and that photo will be sent to that person after 3 seconds. It won't be available. You can see the expired photo thing here, which means the message has been disappeared on Telegram after you send it. So in this way, you can send disappearing photos on Telegram very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.